Hello everyone, in this video we learn how to make outline in Google Docs. For example, we have a document and we want make an outline. First step, we must add heading for each paragraph we want be in an outline. And first step, we must add a title for each paragraph and make this title a heading. For example, this one, select that title and on the top click on normal text section or styles and choose one of heading. For example, for first one I choose heading number 1, and for each one, for example this one, again click on style and this time heading 2, and another, select that title, click on style and choose a heading. After you make heading for each paragraph, on the top click on view and click on show outline. Now on your left, as you see, we have an outline, and if you click on any heading you can reach that section. Also, if you want add any paragraph again in your outline, for example this test one, first write a title for that paragraph, select that text, on the top click on styles or normal text section and choose a heading for that. After that, you see that new heading added to your outline. If I click on test, I can reach this section. If you close that document, you see this icon on your left, and if you click on it you can show document outline. Also, if you want close this outline, again click on view and this time again click on show outline. On phone, open your Google Doc app, open your document, on the top tap on three dot icon. Now if your file have a heading, you will access to a document outline. Tap on document outline, you can see the document outline. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.